Hello बच्चों, let's see the question, and the question says that 2 into a sin square c by 2 plus c sin square a by 2 is equal to c plus a minus b. Okay, basically you have to do LHS equal to RHS. Okay, so key concept for this question is, key concept is sine rule. So what's a sine rule? If we have a triangle, let's say this is triangle ABC. So let's say this is triangle ABC. Okay, side of opposite of angle A is small a, side of a opposite of a angle B is small b, and side of a opposite angle C is C. Then according to sine rule, the relation between angles and sides are sin A upon A is equal to sin B upon B is equal to sin C अपॉन सी इज इक्वल टू कांस्टेंट. इन सबका रेशियो किसके इक्वल होते हैं? कांस्टेंट के इक्वल. एंड सेकंड की कंसेप्ट यू हैव टू नो दैट cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Okay, now our question is, here is the question and this is our LHS part. So that is 2 into a sin square c by 2 plus c sin square a by 2. Okay, so that is our LHS part. Okay, now here we can write a in the place of sin square theta. From to this formula we can write, what we can write? 1 minus cos c upon 2. Okay, according to this formula, cos 2 theta formula, plus from here from second we have to write 1 minus cos a upon 2. Okay, now after solving this question, and this is a close bracket, this is a close bracket. So after solving this we have 2 cancelled out by it. So now we have here a minus a cos c plus c minus c cos a. Okay, from we can write is equal to a plus c minus a cos c plus c cos a. Sine rule, we can write a is equal to sin upon k and b is equal to sin b upon k and c is equal to sin c upon k according to sine rule. Now here we can into cos c plus c के प्लेस पे क्या लिख सकते हैं? sin c upon k cos a. Now a plus c, take 1 upon k common. So here we have a formula sin a cos c plus sin b cos a. Okay, so this is a formula of sin a plus b, that is in the place of b here is c. Now we can write a plus c minus 1 upon k. Okay, 1 और यहाँ पे क्या लिख सकती हूँ मैं? इसको मैं लिख सकती हूँ sin 90 180 minus b, because sum of all angle is 180. तो a plus c का सम कितना होगा? 180 minus b. और sin 180 minus थीटा क्या होता है? sin थीटा ही होता है. So we can write from here a plus c minus 1 upon k, that is sin b. And according to sine rule, we know that value of sin b upon k किसके इक्वल होती है? That is equal to a plus c minus b, and we can write this c plus a minus b. So this is our RH. So I hope you all understood this explanation. Thank you and all the best.